Meaning of commandment.
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 Commandment. A commandment is a rule or order given by an authority figure, often with religious or moral implications. It can be viewed as a directive to guide a person's behavior and decision-making. The word commandment is most commonly associated with the 10 Commandments of the Judeo-Christian tradition, which are meant to serve as a guide for living a moral life. In broader terms, a commandment can refer to any type of instruction or rule that is expected to be followed obediently. Overall, a commandment is essentially a decree that carries significant weight and authority in a given context.